Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from Realme C55. So let's start from opening the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again the free credits banner, you have to restart the application after the setup. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery. Oh, sorry, I don't have any document of the photo, so just pick something for the example. Now you can add as a shape your document or the picture. And if you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Then you can choose the filter for a photo to make it more visible. Click on the accept icon. Type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and to send the message, just click on this button. This is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.